Okay, I got this message this morning. 6 of your posts go against our community standards, so only you can see them. See options. Today at 8:19 p.m. about your posts. No one else can see your posts. See options. Okay, 6 of your posts go against our standards on spam. Learn more about our decisions and see what you can do. No one else can see these posts. Repeatedly violating our community standards can cause further account restrictions. So April 10th, I sent out 6 messages. And I would think that one's to Gael01, one is to Gael Skype, one is to pop up Gael Tochti, one is to Learning Irish, one is to my own group. I am Irish Learners and Speakers, and the last one is to Duolingo. I send these out every week, and I customize them and try to meet the needs of each group. And if any of the administrators see this and want it done differently for those groups, we can certainly fix that. Here we have, it doesn't let me see anything about it. Maybe let me see. Okay. Now it says only the author of the post and people who managed Gaeilge01 can see this post, which isn't true because I've communicated with one of the admins of Gaeilge01 and they didn't get anything about this. The post is out there just like there was no problem. It's out there on Gaeilge01. We have these standards to prevent things like false advertising, fraud, and security breaches. Repeatedly violating our community standards can cause further account restrictions. Now, I'll show a little bit more and translate this for Facebook. Prab Gaeltacht. I do have a misspelling here, but it's a pop-up Gaeltacht. It's an opportunity for people to speak the Irish language. We're not charging money. It happens this one on Sunday, and the Irish language is not English. We have our own language. It's 9 p.m. in Ireland. You'll have your choice of rooms. It's a Zoom rooms. For more, your learners can go to one room, and the pop-up Gaeltacht. This is another word that some people preferred to use. Gaeilge and Gaeilge01 preferred the word tub Gaeltacht or prab. Prab means jump. Tub means sudden, and it's just a sudden opportunity to go ahead and speak your language. Anyway, now we have the same community standards around the world for everyone on Facebook. We use either technology or a review team to remove everything that doesn't follow our standards as quickly as possible. Our review teams work in many languages to make sure our standards are applied consistently. We don't allow people to get likes, follows, shares, or video views in any way that's misleading to others. I did see 4 people have liked this, the post I put in Gaeilge01, and they were not me. Okay, I don't know who liked them. Repeating the same comment. Yeah, I do put it up every week. Getting fake likes, follows, shares, or videos views. Coordinating likes and shares to mislead others about the popularity of something. And in case of the one about an event, it has to go up every week because every week has to be a new event, even though it's weekly. In the case of the other things I put up, they change weekly. There's different opportunities. So I can disagree with this decision, but I'm collecting material right now to be able to document that disagreement. And I'm going to share screen again and try to get to not seeing it. This one there, that's where I wanted to get. Okay, this is a copy of that picture and I'm telling people about it. And I asked the administrator of Learning Irish, who has asked for this material for me and knows the administrators of the other sites. And about it, and she said that it's Faithfoot that bug is at fault, not Gail Gowan. And then Mary Burns here is an administrator of Gail Gowan, and she says, I translated this out, we didn't get any news at all in Gail Gowan. Your posts are on the page in it. Well, they went up yesterday, and she tagged me on them, and I translated that for Facebook there. And I'm at this point trying to get everyone that I post to go ahead and give me permission so Facebook can see that it's okay for me to tell you about Irish language opportunities. So that's what the rest of this is about. Devin is the admin of Gale Skype, which is one of the recipients. Moira is learning Irish and has asked for it before, but since Facebook needs evidently to see that it's okay. Jeffrey is the admin of Pop-Up Gaeltochty, so getting his permission, and I'm giving myself my own permission for my own site, Irish Learners and Speakers.